It's Randy. Super excited to bring you this episode of today's Healthy Headhunters. For those of you that don't know, before I worked at DRI, I actually spent 17 years working in the restaurant business. I'll give the plug to Jim Maleshi's place down the street here. Love you guys. Today we're going to make an aglio pasta with roasted tomatoes, zucchini, squash. Excited to bring it to you. We'll walk you through the steps. First, we're going to roast the cherry tomatoes here. Quick safety tip for chopping: whenever you're chopping vegetables, you want to put your fingers in like this so that the tips aren't exposed. That way, if your finger slips, you cut the top of your knuckle and not down here on your finger, just to be safe. We made the aglio olio pasta today with a little bit of a vegan twist on it with the lemon-tahini chickpeas. Super excited to dig in here and try it out. Really good with the fresh grated Parmesan. I used vegan Parmesan when I was making it just for our vegans here, but topped it with a little bit of real grated Parmesan cheese at the end. Put a little bit of lemon juice. Super refreshing. Really like it. I'm going to go 8.8.
That's so good. The oils, the pasta's delicious. The chickpeas are nice and roasted. 8.2 out of 10. I love it.
All right, so we are trying some pasta today. I sprinkled some dairy-free Parmesan on just to give it a little more cheese feeling, less vegan-y. Pasta's cooked great. The squash just tastes amazing. And the chickpeas have a hint of lemon. This is great. I'm not a typical pasta guy. I'll go 8.2.